So I'm here at the launch at Upper Tampa Bay, and as you can see, the tide is a little low today. Typically what I do is I take my kayak and I go right over the side right here. Obviously that's not going to be a possibility today, so at the risk of a lot of cursing and a lot of bleeping out, I'm going to go ahead and turn my GoPro off, and I'm going to take that and put it out there. See you guys in a minute. So I'm off of basically like the mouth of this area, which is right down here. And it's a really low tide. It's a negative tide. You can hear the wind, obviously. And it's just blowing that tide, like supercharging it out. So it's closing all of this off. So basically there's a deep trough that runs right down the middle through here. That's kind of like a super highway from what I've found for all the fish that are in here, obviously. So all the fish kind of get congregated. I mean, you can even see behind me, nothing's getting over this that's any decent size. It's not getting back through there, and it's not really getting, I mean, mostly anywhere. So you can kind of sit on the edges right here, throw some bait out, and just like pick off fish. It's a nice area. It's, you know, I enjoyed the summer or the wintertime fishing because you're really, it's kind of shooting fish in a barrel sometimes. There's something else on here. There we go. Oh, shit. Oh, my drag's not set right. Ladyfish. Oh, little snook. Nice, man. All right, buddy. All right. Come on. Let's relax. Dang, man, he is so small. You're like the size of that paddle tail, bro. What are you doing? Come here. I know, little man. I gotcha. Hey, I gotcha. She's out. There she is. Nice. Little snook back here, man. All right, let's get a picture of you. If I didn't take a picture of it, it didn't happen. All right, little man. Let's get you back in here. Oh, you are just juiced, man. You let me know when you're ready. All right, let's get some more out there. So that was on my, I have a Slam Shady 2.0 paddle tail on a 1/4 ounce jig head, rigged up just like that. And I'm just giving it kind of right there. I think I was doing a little pop to the side, just kind of keeping it up a little bit, because the wind is just so bad right now that if the rod tip's up, it's just kind of pulling against it. So I just have my rod tip down, a couple little pops like that, seeing what'll chew. I'm gonna start working my way down a little bit more here. You getting tight or what? What are you doing? There we go. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Come on. I gotta try to get this other line up here. Yeah, he's coming right at me. What are you? He took a bunch of drag at first, but now he's just being a weirdo. He's heavy, I'll tell you that. I mean, he's a heavy fish. but he's not fighting super hard. What are you? I think it's a red. Yeah, it's another red, decent size. Yeah, there's some big boys back here today. Oh, now he's got the juice. All right, buddy. Let's get tuckered out here. I think he might have not been fighting as hard as I think he was because I'm using a medium heavy right now. I typically use medium. He hit that like a truck though and took a bunch of drag right off the rip. And I mean, drag's not like tight. Definitely not lockdown. All right, buddy, you're ready. Look at you. Another pretty one. Drumming again. One spot here. One spot here. Just classic right there, man. Gonna measure you. Come on, buddy. Come on. You are. Nose here. Inch right at 26 1/4. Beautiful fish right there, man. Absolutely beautiful. Just a classic looking red. All right, big guy. Let's get you back in the water. The tide's coming up. My kayak's starting to float. It's a decent size. I'm guessing it's a red. But he's moving. I don't want to have to chase him. Yeah, it's a red. Decent sized fish, should be. Come on. Come on, buddy. There you go. I gotcha. Come on, big man. Oh, he still got some juice. Come on, buddy. Come on. I gotcha. You're coming in. All right, there you go. All right, buddy. All right. I gotcha. Oh, look how dark his back is, man. You can tell he spent a ton of time back here. Come on. Oh. Are you still not ready? Come on, bud. It's enough of that. All right. Oh, he still got some juice, man. Good lordy. It's not a small fish though. I mean, he's not huge, but he's not small. He's not super small. Let me get the hook out of him. red right there. You can tell he spent a lot of time back here with that copper tail, or copper hole down his back. Let's get him measured. Come on, buddy. All right. He is 27.5. Bad fish right there at all. He's got one spot up here, two back there, and I think he's got one on the other side. Yeah, one there. Pretty fish, 27.5. Upper slot, or over slot red. Alright, we'll go ahead and release this guy. Get you back in the water there, buddy. Alright. I know. Yeah, he was ready. What a fish, man. So, this happened. Awful. I'm a couple, probably 2-3 miles out, and I only have half a paddle. So, this will be an interesting trip back. But honestly, after the day I had, I'm not complaining. You know, I could do a lot worse than to catch 4 upper slot reds, a dink red, and a dink snook. You know, I'll take that. It was a good day. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was an absolute blast making my first one. Heading home now to do the editing, give that a try. And hopefully it'll be on YouTube in the next day or two. If you guys liked it, you know, subscribe and like and all that other stuff. And alright, y'all.